Hi, gardeners. This is Linda, an old Yankee gardener. I'm actually at home today and I'm just doing a lot of cleanup, weeding, deadheading things, tying up raspberry bushes, um, just cleaning things out. I got tomato plants that I gotta tie up too. But I thought I would do a video on this product that I'm obsessed with. And I'll give you a clue and more information. Hold on. Okay, guys, I am going to give you a hint about this product that I want to show you. I love to recommend products that I've used and that I like. So I'm not being sponsored by this company. I just love their products. So see if you can guess what I'm using in my garden. Here's my herb garden, and here's my whiskey barrels. I've got some cucumbers in here, and I've got some paste tomatoes and some determinate tomatoes. So look around and see if you can find the product that I love. Because I've used it lots of places in my yard and I have to order more. So, yeah. Let me take you in the backyard. Maybe you can figure that one out. Walking by my potatoes. I do have an obsession with the label maker and paint sticks, but that's not the product. So let's keep looking. Here's another hint for you. This is my mulberry bush. It's been here about 3 years. It hasn't fruited yet, but I'm always anticipating. This is my jungle of indeterminate tomatoes. I've had a little deer nibbling. As you can see, it's up a little high for it to be a rabbit. So that's part of my chores today, to tie that up. Here's a giant pokeweed bush. I planted that a long time ago when I was doing hand spinning and dyeing wool. It makes a nice little purple dye, but the birds love it, so I haven't pulled it out yet. And here's some more clues of my favorite product. These are my blueberry bushes up against the fence. They're in whiskey barrels. And yes, I do have my painted sticks. There's my painted sticks and the variety name with my label maker. So have you guessed the secret product yet? All right, I'll keep giving you some clues. Here's my rhubarb patch. I put some black cow down here after I finished harvesting it, and it's doing quite well. I need to get rid of those yellow leaves and stuff that are on the bottom, but like I said, today is a maintenance day. I got some cucumbers coming. Got some green beans and a little whirligig to keep the rabbit away. I don't know if that's successful, but I do like wildlife in my garden with everything else. And here's some of my squash with a lot of little nibblers. Okay. My back hedge. Like I said, I need to clean things out. These bushes here are blackberries. They have thorns on them. I need to plant those together somehow. The birds planted those and they're everywhere. And these are my hibiscus. How many have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4 of these up on my back hedge. I planted those about 3 years ago. I bought them at Home Depot when they had the dying plant sale. That's what I call it, when they, get rid of all the stuff they haven't watered. And I've had very good luck giving this stuff love. And I've got a little hummingbird feeder in there that I have one hummingbird. I'm hoping it brings more friends. I haven't seen them yet. All right. You got it figured out yet? I think that's it for my clues. And I have to show you what the product is because I got to use it. And then I'm going to buy some more. Captain Obvious, what do you think it is? It folds flat for easy storage. That's what I love about it. I bought this maybe 4 years ago when the company was just starting, and I've just bought more and more and used them all over my yard. It was marketed as a tomato cage, but as you can see on the video, I used it for my hibiscus, I used it for my blueberries, I used it for my cucumbers, I used it for my mulberry bush. So I'm going to show you how this all works, because this is my last one. Ta-da! You just open it up, and then it folds flat. See how it folds down? It's tough to do with one hand, but you can kind of see how it is. So these cages, when I bought them, I think they were like 12 or 14 bucks. It was a long time ago. And I only bought one or two because I wanted to try them out, which I have tried them out now. And even though they're a little pricey to buy, they are so sturdy and so durable. Like I said, I've used these about 4 years. So think of it like when you're starting out in your first apartment and you buy a few pots and pans for your kitchen. You don't go out and buy the top of the line. You buy a couple of ones and maybe you don't like them and you end up taking them camping or giving them away, and then you buy some nice pots that you like. So that's how I feel about these cages. I bought a few at a time, and now I have my nice little stockpile of them. And the great thing about them is it folds up. So at the end of the season, I'll take them down, I'll fold them up, and I'll put them in my garage till next season. You can buy an extension, I guess, for the top of this. And if you go on this company's website, they're called Texas Cages, I think. I'll put the name so you guys can look them up. And they have, more than one. You can buy bigger ones, you can buy square ones, you can buy extensions. So if you got a few bucks hanging around to invest in your garden, these are the cages to have. All right, just my opinion. If you like what you learn on this channel, hit subscribe, hit like. That allows my channel to continue and be shown to more people. Hit the notification button. That will let you know when I post another video. And like I always say, happy gardening.